In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 different types of people that you need to avoid at any cost. Even a small interaction with them can make a big negative impact on you. So, number 1 is gossipers. These are the people who are going to talk shit about other people. They are never focused on them, they are always talking about people like this happens with him, this happens with her. This is going to negatively affect you. Also, this is going to put a negative image for that person who is being gossiped about in your mind, and that you don't want it. Also, you should really avoid them because they are not going to help you in growing. You should instead surround yourself with people who are talking about ideas and who are learning in their journey, who are focused and self-disciplined, so that you can also learn from them instead of talking shit about other people. They are going to talk about ideas and they are going to share their lessons with you. And the second type of people you should keep a distance from are those who are having a victim mindset. So this is how you are going to recognize them. They are the people who are always going to blame others and make excuses for not changing their life. Like, they are never responsible. They are not going to take responsibility for their actions, and they are always like everything bad happens to me, this happens because of this. They never take responsibility. They lack self-confidence, and that's they are always talking negatively about them, and they are going to put negative shit in your mind. So stay away from them to keep your mind at peace. Third type of people who are judgmental. So they are going to point out your mistakes, but you have to recognize their way of pointing out the mistake. Is it in a supportive manner, or is filled with hate or jealousy towards you? Someone is pointing you out and never noticing your accomplishments and never noticing that you are growing. They are always going to find mistakes, and that's how you are going to recognize that they are those people you need to stay away from. Fourth type is people who are envious. These are the people who always notice that he is doing better than me, he is doing better than you. They are the people who thinks like grass is always greener on the other side, and they are never going to enjoy your accomplishments. They are always thinking that he is best, he's better than me, she is better than me. So here's how you can recognize them and try to avoid them, because they are always like we all know that there are people who are always gonna be better than you in your work or in your profession. So yeah, we should not be surrounded by people who always think like grass is always greener on the other side. You shouldn't be happy. They are not happy with themselves, I'm telling you. So avoid them at any cost. Fifth type is needy one. These are the worst. No, I'm not going to say worst, but these people make you feel exhausted because they always want you to be around them and serve them. They are very needy, and they are going to act like they need you in everything that they do. They are never responsible for their actions, and they never take any kind of responsibility, so it puts everything on you, so it exhausts you. So stay away from them. So these people are master in making you feel bad just because you pointed out their mistake. They are going to act so emotional and make you feel like it's all your fault. So stay away from these kind of people to avoid these dramas. First step is to become the one who is not having these traits. So if you find yourself having this kind of behavior that I just been talking about in this video, change it and you're going to get more listened by people, and people are going to love to be around you.